Hey guys, welcome back. This is the part two of my projects today. We're in the north side of the house. Don't mind my outfits. I usually wear colorful ones in summer when it's really hot over here. So, anyways, this landscape or this bed is gonna connect to the front of the house, and this is where the hosta is going. So I started over here already, and I didn't have any orange spray paint, so I used the pink one, and this is just a rough graph. I'm gonna fix that later on when we lay some bricks. I'm not edging them right now. I'm just simply cutting the grass where the paint line is, so that when I rip or peel the grass, it's easy to come off. And the tools that I use is the shovel and also my spade and some trowel, and then a foam knee and the gloves, and then a couple buckets for the grass. It's very easy to peel, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of it. I got this from the Dollar Tree actually. It's nice and flat a little bit, so it's easy to scrape the grass with it. So usually peel this grass like this, and sometimes there's like grass that's left by itself, and I just scrape it like that. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is what you do. When it gets close to the line, all I do is peel like that. See? And it's very easy to pull. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel all these grass, because this is a sod that they were planted 3 years ago. So I was lucky to be able to pull this out, and it's very easy. It has like a mesh underneath here, and because it has that mesh, it holds all these grass, and it's really easy to peel. I don't know if I can show you one. It's really hard to see. It's like a brown mash, but let's see here. You see that? It's like right here. It's underneath the grass, so it's very easy to peel or pull the grass because of it. And that's all I'm doing. And plus it rained last night, so it's nice to have that little bit wet. And that's it. There you go. So guys, I wanted to show you this grab worms. They live underground. I know some of you probably are familiar with this, that they eat the roots of the plants. But make sure to remove them when you pull the grass and throw them away. I know there's a bunch of them underneath, but it's best if you could eliminate a little bit of them. And then I just wanted to show you quick the progress that I made. So far I have quite a bit. I did transplant those hostas last night because they were in the container for a couple days and they're dying. So I need to transplant them, but they'll bounce back eventually. So far, this is what it looks like. And I'm almost close to the end now. And because I cut the grass, the grass at the end of the line or behind the line, it was easy to peel it, and then it's, you know, it leaves that clean grass. There's a little bit of paint down there, but they'll go away when you cut the grass. So anyways, that's what the progress so far. So guys, I finally finished it, and this border is connected to the front of the house in the beds, and this is what it looks like now. This is for the beginners. If you want to put a drip in there, you know, if that's your thing, or put some rocks on top of it instead of mulch, that's your you know, that's your choice. This beds or border is actually in a budget, so I'm just gonna put a cheap mulch in there, you know, like one of those 3 for $10 at Lowe's or Home Depot. But it's gonna look nice, and it's gonna keep the ground moist and protect this hostas here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to transplant one of them on the ground.